In this snack video, we'll see how IBM RPA can perform a simple menial task that working people do every day. One of the tasks of a purchasing manager is to pull CSV data files from the ERP system with items that need to be procured for the organization. You can see in this sample it has details like quantity, cost, and SKU number. The purchasing manager copies and pastes the information in the CSV file into a provisioning request template, which is a Word document. This is a perfect job for IBM robotic process automation. A robot can easily be created to retrieve and open CSV files, copy each string and paste the data into the correct field in the Word document template, update the date, save, and close. Let's watch it in action. We've built a bot in RPA Studio, and now we'll press Start. The bot opens the Word document template, and it starts to populate the data fields just as we designed. It updates the document date and saves and closes the file. And if we look in the folder, we can see a new document with the naming convention that we stipulated in the design. I hope you enjoyed that snack. Want to learn how to build it? Just follow the recipe. You'll find a link in the video description.